Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again, and this time I'm here with a baby joy diaper, and it's from a Japan technology, and this is medium size, which is 6 to 12 kg of baby weight, and it's a sample piece. I got it as a sample, and it prevents leakage, and this contain one diaper, and this is how it looks like. Good night's sleep for your baby. Perfect fit, they are saying. So let's check it out. So I got these sample pieces in two sizes. This one which I'm opening is medium, and the another one I got is the large size, so that I could check what size fits my baby perfectly, so that I could purchase if it's good. So this is good thing that they are giving it a sample. So this is how the diaper looks like. These are the sticking thingy which you need to paste over here, and actually I don't use these kind of diapers. I use the pen style, which are new in market. But earlier when my baby was small, I tried these also. It was good. But this brand, I don't know. I have always tried Pamper. So I'm gonna try this time and let you know whether it's good, worse or best. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you.